Hello everyone, how you all are doing? I really hope you all are doing well and safe, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell button next to it so that you are notified every time I put up a new video. And if you don't know me guys, hi, my name is Sabah and I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle and product reviews. And if you like what you see so far, then please be my virtual family by subscribing the red subscribe button. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to review the eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, and I have already used like 2 palettes from Makeup Revolution, and they were from the Reloaded collection, and they were like really good. I have actually created this look by using the Reloaded collection, and you can see how beautifully it looks. So guys, this time I bought the Tammy X Revolution palette, and oh my god guys, the packaging looks so luxurious and it feels really luxurious, and I was not really happy with the packaging of the Reloaded palette, but this packaging is like 10 on 10 and I love the packaging. And guys, it has a beautiful rose gold mirror top and you can actually see yourself on it, and when you open the palette it has like a full size mirror and the quality of mirror is really good. And inside it you are getting like 23 beautiful shades. So guys, this palette is called Tropical Paradise and you are getting like beautiful shades of green and blues in it, and yeah, it's a beautiful palette guys, and you can create like a lot of tropical looks with it. So yeah, it has a very beautiful shades inside it, and you are getting like 11 shimmer shades and 12 matte shades, so you are getting like all possible color for a tropical look. So yeah, it's a beautiful palette guys. And guys, one more beautiful thing which was not there in the Reloaded collection, so each shade has a beautiful name, and let's call out some of them. So it's called Moonlight, Pina Colada, Tropical, Exotic, Carnival, and all the like tropical names in it. So yeah, it's a beautiful thing, and I like shades with names, so it's easier to like describe to people. So guys, I know you all are waiting for the swatches, so without any further ado, let's just move to the video now and see the swatches of these beautiful shades. guys, I really hope you like the swatches of these beautiful shades, and I love the shade range guys. Like I love the colors, and I love how pigmented the colors are, and I love how shimmers are like well blended, and I love everything about this palette. And yeah, it is very pigmented, and you can create a lot of different looks with this. And yeah, it's a beautiful palette, and I love the quality of the palette as well. And I love how beautiful colors are there in the palette, and I love the color range as well. And it's very pigmented palette guys. Like every color has a beautiful pigment in it, and I love the shimmer as well. And the color payoff is also really good, and the quality, oh my god, the quality is like really good. It is like very blendable, and it's very buttery, so yeah, it's blend very easily. And guys, the best thing which I like about this palette, or in general any Makeup Revolution palette, they don't fall out. Like I have used the Reloaded one, they don't fall out, and this one as well, they don't fall out. And I love this quality because I don't like cleaning again and again. And yeah, it's a wonderful palette guys, and the quality is like wonderful, 10 on 10, and I absolutely love this palette. And guys, the best thing about this palette is that you are getting full-fledged mirror with it, and the quality of mirror is also really good. And I love eyeshadow palettes with a mirror because it becomes little easier to do your looks and all. So yeah, I absolutely love this palette guys. And now moving to the price, so this retails for rupees 1950, and I bought it at such a steal deal price. So it was on like 66% off, and it costed me around 600, like somewhere around 600. The price will be somewhere on the screen, so yeah, do check it out. And it was such a steal deal guys. Like I love the product, and it is like one of my favorite purchase. And guys, I bought this palette from Myntra, and Myntra have like such an amazing deal every time on their app. So yeah, I love shopping from them. And you can buy this palette, link will be in the description box below, and most probably it will be on offer. So yeah, make the most of it. And yeah guys, you can check out this palette. It's a beautiful palette, and I'm highly recommending this to everyone. And yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you like this video, and if you really did, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, all the links will be in the description box below. So yeah, make sure to check it out, and I'll see you super soon in my next one. Till then, y'all.